There we go. Okay. Okay. Did you guys finish the questions, or how far did you guys get?
I started real late, so yeah, I'm a few questions in, but I think I
Okay.
have a basic idea of how to do all of them.
Okay.
I didn't
Okay.
do 3 through 6, but I did the rest of them.
Okay. I did all of them except for 8, 9, and 10. I just haven't gotten to those yet, but um,
All right.
if we can, how about we choose? I don't know. It looks like I don't know, the question types are kind of grouped. And it's like the first couple are similar, and then the next couple are similar. So maybe we could, for this meeting at least, go through like, I don't know, 3, 6, and 9 or something like that. So we can get a little bit of
Yep.
variation of all of them, but then not be here too long.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. That's cool. Okay. And then are you guys doing the formatting the way he wants it? The like 3D stuff. You know what I'm talking about?
Uh, you mean like for writing it out, like for submitting the
Yeah.
document?
Yeah. He wants to like describe and then draw, define basic equations. Those are you guys doing those? I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay. Do
yeah.
you know what I'm talking about, Drake?
Yeah, I am.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
do them fully though. I
Okay.
skip like a couple of the parts. So
Okay.
we need a shared
Uh,
document. So collaborative. Is that what it's meaning
oh
in
yeah.
the
Yeah, we do need a shared one. Um, let's see. Well, okay. I don't know. Do you guys use Google Docs?
Yeah, I can use Google
Yep.
Docs.
All right. I'll make a doc and share it with you guys. Just, all right, Dallin, what's your email you want me to send it to?
Dallin J Owens at gmail.com.
It's- Okay, Dallin J Owens at Gmail.
Mm-hmm.
All right. No. All right, and then Drake,
My Google one's still my one from when I was younger, so it's DCH
DCH.
and then Catman
Love it.
at
Catman,
gmail.com.
gmail.com. All right.
Yeah, I made
Love
that one when I
the
was younger and
I
it just
love
never
the
changed
freaking profile picture.
of my cat.
Yeah. Okay, I send it to you guys. It's called PH Group week 3.
Awesome.
Mm.
Okay. We can do the work on here. I don't know. I was thinking, I don't know. I do it on my iPad and I can just like, I don't know. It's like notebook pages on here, but I can just submit this directly to Canvas. So I was just thinking that I would submit this file. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Is that fine with you guys? Or I mean, we
Yeah, that
we can try
works.
to work on the collaborative one, but I think it'd be easier to submit this one instead of writing everything onto the doc.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
that'd be easier, I think.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. What is the group document? Let me create one document for doing. Okay,
Or
yeah. I
send
don't
it
think
to
we need to use the Google Doc I
It
just
says or
sent.
we could send the solutions to one group member and the part C of it.
Here, say it again.
In the part C of the instructions in step 4, it says you could just send the solutions to one group member who creates the group document. So we could just do that with your iPad.
Yes, yeah, that's awesome. Let's do that. Okay. So do you guys want to work through 369?
Should.
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Problem 3 was one of the ones I skipped, so I might not be that much help
Okay.
on that one.
Okay. Do you want to take a sec and try to do it and then talk about it, or do you just want to jump in and talk about it as we go through it?
Just talk about it as we go through, it would probably be easier.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sounds good.
I did it. But
Okay, this one was it was the part where it's like breaking up the two vectors into a component and or the x component and y component, and then uh, adding the x components to get the final x, and then the final y to make the whole new vector. Um,
Mhm.
yeah, I got wait. Oh snap! I didn't do the full one. Well, for oh man, I didn't finish it. Here, give me one sec. There, do this last step. Okay, so for the new vector, I got 5.24 meters.
um, oh, we're doing question 2 or question 3?
Three, three.
Okay. Okay, so for this one, we're essentially we have that picture and we're trying to figure out these two vectors that add up to the 6.72. Yeah.
Yes. Oh
Okay.
wait, okay. Sorry, no. I I thought I forgot a step, but I just added a whole new step. Okay, so for VA, I got 3.453, and then VB, I got 3.943.
Yeah, that's what I got.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not sure how you did
Uh,
it, but I was lazy and I did the law of sines.
yeah, that's what I did.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
You know, we're talking about Drake.
Yeah, you do like the V's over sine of the angles, right?
Yeah, yeah. And
Yeah.
then it like makes a ratio, and then yeah. Okay, so we all know how to do that one. All right, let's go to 6. Okay. Do you want to do the same thing where we just talk about it, or do you want to have a chance to work through it first?
Can I get like 30 seconds?
Okay.
That'd be
That's
great.
totally fine.
Did you get about like around 65 kilometers? Like 60.
Yeah, I got 64.78.
That's what I got too. Okay.
Yeah.
In the direction. Okay.
Oh, snap. The submission says that we need to go through each problem
Oh, dang.
Oh, okay.
until we all like have an answer for each one. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. All right. Are you good, down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I got 64.78 meters and it was north west or northeast, I mean, direction.
At 40.9 degrees, right?
Oh, you sound
I got northeast, right? I got
for
northeast too.
degrees. Okay. Yeah.
So how
Okay.
would it be altered by a wind from the north and how the effect of the wind?
Okay, yeah. So I think, I mean, wind from the north would be pushing against it. So I think the Y would increase either slower or just decrease
Mm-hmm.
in the Y direction. And then with wind mass, wait, is that what it was? Wind mass, air mass. I don't really know what that is, but I'm assuming that it's just like less wind speed, but heavier air mass would push like harder against it, like the same as high wind speed would. I don't know. Okay, so we're done with six. Let's just go to one.
Number one.
Okay, this one
I
is
put,
just concept.
I put no for
Uh,
the first part.
yeah, I put no for two vectors. I said it would be like the same as like, does three minus two equal zero? No.
Mm-hmm.
But then with three vectors, I said, or three or more, I said it could, because it could be like three minus two minus one would equal zero. So it would come back to the starting point. Agreed?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. Okay, moving on. Number two. Um, all right, this one, I'm pretty sure this one was just like Pythagorean theorem. So for C or for the R, I got 30.81 meters.
That's what I got.
Okay. Yeah, cool.
Right.
And well, yeah, we all got the same answer, so we must have done Pythagorean theorem, I'm assuming. Okay. All right. I just did number three. Number four. Let's see, where am I at? Okay, I think this one was also concept. The wording was kind of confusing though, but um here, I laid it out like, wait, maximum directions. Okay. I said for the greatest magnitude of the combined vector, the A and B vectors need to be in the same direction. So then it would be positive plus positive would equal like higher positive.
Mm-hmm.
But then for lower direction or lower magnitude, I said opposite directions. So they would like cancel out. So for like maximum magnitude, it would be a plus b equals c, and then minimum magnitude would be a minus b equals c.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Any questions on that? Anyone confused?
No.
All right. All right. Number five. All right. Let's see. All right. Yeah. This is one where I did the law of sines, or actually, no, I didn't. Wait, did I? So, no, actually, this one I broke up the A vector and the B vector into the X and Y components, and then added the X components and then the Y components to get the CX, CY, and then did Pythagorean theorem to get C.
Hmm.
All right, so I got for C for the length of C, I got 92 point. Wait, what's the right one? Yeah, 92.26.
But can you explain how you did that again?
Yeah. So here, hold on. Maybe okay. Well, then here, hold on one sec. I'm gonna try to switch. Oh wait, no. One sec. Let me do something. Wi-Fi. Okay. Then, join me. Join me. Um, here. I'm doing the meeting on my iPad so I can share just like my page to show
Okay.
everything. 692, 81, 9, 72. Um, 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 2, 5. There it is. Oh, okay. Share screen. Share. There it is. All right, screen. Start. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so I did here the basic equations. So what I started doing was this part is using these equations right here.
Mhm.
Hold on. There we go. Yeah, using those equations right there. So I did the length of A, which was 80 meters, and then the angle on the x-axis is 21, so it was 80 cosine 21 gave me A of, or the x component of A, and then negative 80 because it's going down in the y direction. So it's negative 80, and then the same angle gave me AY. And then did the same with BY and BX. But you had to switch the cosine and the sine because the angle given to you was on the y-axis. So
Oh,
the sine would give you BX instead of BY for that one. So the A of X right here is only A of X is the cosine if it's on the x-axis. So if it's on the y-axis, it's the length times the sine of the angle will give you the y component.
yeah, I forgot to switch them. I'm like, my answer's so wrong.
Okay,
Yeah, I
yeah,
did.
yeah. And then from there, I just did added the a's and or the x's and the y's and give me these, and then I did Pythagorean theorem to get this.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you for explaining them.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Here. Am I echoing in you guys's things?
You're not echoing for me.
Oh, okay. I'm echoing in my ear, but probably because I have both open right here.
Okay. No.
Okay. All right. Are we going to move on to six?
Mhm.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. All right.
Wait, didn't we already do
Oh
6?
yeah, yeah, we did six. Okay. Seven.
I I got like 14.2
Let's see.
degrees.
Yeah, I got 14.21 degrees, and then the
But isn't it only
time.
3 sig figs?
Huh? Say it again.
Isn't it only 3 sig figs because the 7.00 and 12.0?
I don't know. You're probably right. I don't know. I haven't paid attention to sig figs at all this whole time. So
Are we supposed to pay
I,
attention to sig figs?
I don't know. On like Mobius and stuff like that, we are. But I don't know. For this, I don't really pay
Oh,
attention or care too much about it.
okay.
But you're probably right. But then for time, I got point 0.6 seconds.
Yeah. 0.601 is what I got.
Yeah. All right.
Hold
Give down on
on.
the sec. Give down on the sec.
Mhm.
Oh wait, we forgot to do part B. What other angle gives the same range? I
Oh
put
yeah.
70.8 degrees because it's the I almost said constitutional isomer, but that's chemistry. I forgot the name of it, but it adds up to 90. So it's
Oh
90
yeah.
minus
Yeah. Yeah.
14.2 is
That's what I did.
75.
Yeah. I did 90 minus 14.2 and
Mhm.
got 75.79
Yeah.
for the I don't know. I think it's complementary angle, but I don't
Oh
know. I
yeah,
think that's what the lab said, but I don't remember. It's something like
yeah,
that.
that sounds right.
All right. Awesome.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. All right, number eight. I have not done number eight yet, so let's lock in.
The arrow shot. Yeah. Wait, you haven't done 8 or
No, I haven't. I haven't done eight, nine, or 10.
oh okay.
Dude, what is a height for H?
Yeah. I was wondering what that was and mean. I mean, I guess we can like. I'm gonna look this up.
Oh, the h is the variable because it wants us to calculate the height of the cliff.
Oh, okay.
So h is just the variable we put into the equation.
And
All
it'd be
right.
the vertical displacement formula for it.
Yeah. Okay.
Should we just work through them together?
Yeah, sure. It's
So I did the vertical displacement, and then because the y0 was 1.5, right? Yeah. So it's 1.5 for y0, then via yt. I did 25.98 times 4.0 because well, actually, did I do that? Oh no, it was sine 60 degrees because it was a 60-degree above the horizontal. So I did sine 60 degrees to get the formula of y equals 1.5 plus 25.98 times 4 for the time of flight minus 1/2 of 9.81 for gravity times 4 squared, right? Do you do sine and cosine 60?
Okay, I'm totally lost with what you said. Oh my gosh. The free meeting will end in 10 minutes.
Well,
To pay for Zoom meetings?
can we like pause it and then like come back? Does that
Like
reset
end
our
it
time?
and then jump back on.
Yeah.
I think it does, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. We can do that. Let's yeah, let's do that after question 8. Let's see.
Would we just put the
Dude,
first?
these problems just take forever.
Yeah. Well, I think next week if we all try to get the problems done beforehand, because I didn't do like 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
It'd
We
be a
could probably
lot.
just run through it super quickly next time. But now we know.
Yeah. I wonder what happened to the rest of our group.
I don't know. A bunch of people like replied to the message.
Really?
Well, everybody except for Marta, but no one hopped on, I guess.
Like they said they would be here or just replied?
They said that the time worked. Yeah, so I guess I can take that as they would be here.
The exam is kind of weird.
Dude, I looked at it. I'm excited, bro. I can access my notes, like the textbook, everything, like not proctored.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was scared it was gonna be like Proctorio because I've had some like massive previous like Proctorio exams that they are like 4 hours,
yeah.
but I think this one
Yeah.
will be nice.
Yeah, dude, this one's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm gonna have like my whole freaking cheat sheet right next to me.
Mm.
It's gonna be so
Yeah.
easy.
And I can eat during the test. I won't get flagged for it.
You get flagged for eating during Proctorio.
I don't know. Like on the instructions, it's like don't eat, don't drink, don't fall asleep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I played my guitar once during a proctored exam.
It's a part of the exam or just like for
Yeah,
fun?
no, it was just for fun. It was fine. Teacher didn't mind.
Did you get flagged in their system?
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I figure it's like entertainment for whoever's the proctor.
Yeah. If anything, they'll give you extra points.
Mm,
And it
Okay,
gives you a
Drake,
lot of the
what did you
formulas
get, bro?
for part A.
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah. Whoops. I was looking at problem 9. I'm like, that doesn't look right. For question. This is the arrow one still, right?
Yes.
I got 27.0 meters. What'd you get?
Okay, sorry, what? You said 27 liters?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, I
Is that
still
what
haven't
you
even worked it
got?
out.
Oh.
Physics and chemistry problems are so many steps, takes forever to do.
Mm-hmm. It's like annoying algebra.
Yes, bro.
Part B is pretty easy because it's just what we did on the lab a bunch
yeah. Yeah, I got 34.44 for part B.
for Y max.
Okay. If you guys are done, we can just move on and I'll finish freaking writing this.
Okay. So for part B, I did you use the equation like
I used
zero
the height equation,
the height?
like the initial y velocity squared divided by 2 times 9.8.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah. So that's what I got too.
awesome. Do you have part C yet?
Part C, the impact before hitting the cliff.
Yeah,
And
that's
that
it.
so that one was the V is equal to the square root of Vx squared plus Vy squared.
Um, I don't know. I haven't worked it out yet. But
Um, will it let you do another Zoom after this one, or is that like the minutes you get per day for a meeting?
I'm pretty sure I
I
can
think it's
just
just meeting.
hop back on. So whenever this one ends, just join again.
Okay.
Mm.
If you can't get back on, you can just email us and then we could just work them out, I guess, over like a phone call or something.
Okay, yeah. Okay, we got Drake down and Blake. We do not have Alvaro and Marto. Who's the other guy?
What?
Jake,
That's
Conlon.
your.
All right, I guess the three of us are getting credit, and the other three are not.
Hmm.
Sucks to suck.
This one here. Did anyone post on like the discussion board or anything?
I don't know. I haven't checked that out for a while. Let's see.
Because we mark them during the meeting, it said, right? It's like you put if they've done any discussion.
Yeah, nothing new on the discussion board.
But they said they can make it. That's weird.
I don't know.
Okay. Have you guys worked through it? Through